Hi, good morning. I have prepared a video that is not really a vlog. It's really not even a linear documentation of anything. It's just kind of a summary of what I've been up to. So enjoy the next couple of clips and I will talk to you later. Bye.
I said, who's that girl there? I wonder what went wrong so that she had to roam the streets. She doesn't do major credit cards, I doubt she does receipts. It's all not quite legitimate. And what a scummy man.
So I'm here at the Kuta Residency Exhibition. I was a participant in the Kuta Residency 2024, and so there's an exhibition now in Kuta that I'm attending for the first time. I missed the opening. I'm also going to miss the closing events. I love this. Like, basically using textile design as a way to archive children's songs. Rain, rain, go away, come back in another day. So I'm here at Spanish by Kuta and sponsored by Victoria's Secret Department. And I really enjoyed the exhibition. I'm so impressed by the works that all the artists have produced. And it's all just so good, like good, unique, one of a kind, and I'm really excited to see where everybody goes with their career. Really. Hi, good morning or good afternoon. I am currently decluttering my room and I love decluttering. I love going through my old stuff. You know those memes of like people that are you know, they're cleaning up their room and then they start wearing all the random stuff that they find. But for me, I'm not like going through clothes. I'm going through like mostly art supplies or like material, just random clutter that just got caught up in my shelf. I'm leaving for Amsterdam in less than 2 weeks, and so I just want to clean up, make sure that everything is where it's supposed to be, and also keeping in mind that like if I decide to stay long term in Amsterdam, I already know the stuff that I want to come back for, and not necessarily like, yeah. But anyway, I'm in a place right now where I'm trying to rethink my art practice, because I know that when I'm in the Netherlands, I'm not going to have a studio space, I'm not going to have a massive room, I'm not going to have the space that I need. I'm not probably also not going to have enough like money to like buy art supplies the way that I've been able to do. So I'm trying to think like what is the best way I can create art during that period, because I am really like entering a really good place with my art practice, and I just want to maintain that consistency. I don't want to like drop off the face of the earth for like 2 years and come back. It's like wind blows, wind blows, wind blows, wind blows. So currently I'm in Port Harcourt, and so I'm staying with my mom for a few days. I want to paint on these 2 canvases. I'm trying to be like that artist that takes her craft so seriously that even if I'm traveling for 1 week, I'm going to create artworks. I'm not going to wait to come back, because all that waiting to come back stuff will prevent you from creating the works that you need to create. I've been listening to Mannywellz. I mean, I always knew about Mannywellz, but like, I just never listened to his works, to his music, sorry. So these canvases, I got them from Crafties in Ikeja. I don't know if they're the best quality, to be honest, but canvas is canvas. I'm also thinking of working in like a landscape, two landscape paintings, because I don't usually work in landscape, and I think my periphery vision right now is very landscapey, and I definitely want to like do like paint what I'm seeing around me. There are lots of creams, and so I think that's what I'm going to do.
My brown skin girl, love the straightness of your curls. Biggie body, short door. Little one, you drop them all. Yeah. Brown skin girl, love the straightness of your curls. Biggie body, short door. Little one, you drop them all. Oh, you play with my strings. I never imagined my soul to be matching to your love. Chocolate and caramel, ooh-wee. The sun kissed you and said, ooh-wee. Even the morning said, ooh-wee. I dream at night and sing, ooh-wee. My brown skin girl, love the straightness of your curls. Biggie body, short door. Little one, you drop them all. Yeah. Brown skin girl, love the straightness of your curls.
Okay, let me just show you the situation. And being an artist is not for the painters. I recently got all these pieces from the kiln. This is a painting I'm currently working on, and a painting that I'm about to start. So yeah, there's a lot going on here. It's giving creation, you know. It's giving humans coming out of the shell. I don't know what story that is, but there's a creation story of human. Oh yeah, I think it's a Yoruba origin story of human beings. Not human beings, but when Oduduwa came down from heaven, and he came down with a shell, a snail shell actually. But anyway, that's the concept we are going for. Just wanted to show some of these pieces here. I was going to take this particular painting outside and just experiment with some spray paints, just cause let's talk about this painting for a second. Me and her, we've had issues. Like, this beef has been spanning like a year now. So I started this painting, the painting I just showed, like 2022. It's 2024 now, and it's just layers and layers of homie being lost. And I thought with the chicken I had reached the final point, and then I was like, I don't know, it doesn't feel balanced. And I started adding white and cream and all these gross colors around, sorry, it's too zoomed in. It's zoom out a little bit. All this stuff around the chicken's head. I started adding that, and big regret, because this was fine. There was a soup, but I feel like also the chicken might have been a mistake, because it's just too prominent of a figure and overwhelms the rest of the painting. I know I can save it because I've done it a million times. It's just like, it's been a year now. How much time does a girl need to get it right? This is another pendant. It broke in the kiln, so I had to glue it together. I'm planning on painting this plate. It's cracked, so my plan is to turn a lot of my cracked pieces into gifts, or to just exhibit them as is, but not sell them. So I want to do like a bit of yellow. This is Atherium plants. I'm exploring plants that have very like genital forms. There are little hoops on the back because I want to use them to make like a wall hanging or a piece of like jewelry. And these are corn pieces. They look more like poop. But you know when you talk about corn, it's still on brand.
Chocolate and caramel, ooh-wee. The sun kissed you and said, ooh-wee. Even the money said, ooh-wee.